Hey, welcome to WebPro Mastery. My name is Kylie Murphy, and today we are going to cover the basics on how to log into your WordPress website. So let's get started. Step 1, accessing the login page. To begin, open your web browser and type in your website's URL followed by /wp-admin. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Step 2, entering your credentials. Next, enter your username and password that you received when setting up your WordPress account. These credentials are essential for accessing the backend of your website. Step 3, navigating the admin dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress admin dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your website's content, design, and much more. Hey, I hope this video today helped. Make sure to follow, and we will see you in the next video.